Hello guys, I hope you will be fine and enjoying your life with good health. My name is Mohammad Ayaz. Today we will discuss about the ML1 project of railway. ML1 Mainland 1 is considered as the game changer for Pakistan's economy. It is the biggest project of railway in subcontinent. In many countries, it is the main source of transportation of the goods in leisure time. It has been noticed that Pakistan Railway is far behind than world's railway system as Pakistan is currently operating in between 65 to 105 km per hour. In some areas it reduced to 15 km per hour. And railway lines of Pakistan are old enough, about 150 years, and were were made for 40 km per hour speed. And currently we are using the tracks beyond their capacity. We have seen the infrastructure of railway which is not good, that we see and hear the rail accidents due to lack of safety and precautionary measure. According to Pakistan Railway officials, freight share of Pakistan Railway is about 4%. What is going to be done now? Total budget of the project is $6,808 million. Project have been divided in 3 phases and it will be executed in engineering, procurement and construction mode by the Chinese contractors. First phase estimated cost is $2.5 billion and will cover the construction area of 527 km long track between Peshawar, Rawalpindi and Lahore, and it will be completed between January 2021 to December 2024. Second phase estimated cost is 2.7 billion and will start year after the phase 1. It will upgrade the area of 521 km long track from Lahore to Hyderabad. Third phase will cover the area of 740 km and will upgrade the track of Rawalpindi Peshawar and Hyderabad Multan under the estimated cost of $1.7 billion, and work will start after 2 year work on phase 1. Railway lines will be upgraded altogether from Karachi to Peshawar, 1872 km. It will not only upgrade that, it will also be a double track system. Due to upgradation, speed of track will increase from 60/105 km per hour to 120/160 km per hour, which will meet the current world standard. Railway communication system will also be upgraded to international standards and there will be a central control system in Lahore. From one can see the live streaming of the train's movement. Even in the Peshawar, there will be an upgraded signal system which will work automatically as the optical fiber will be installed in throughout the track without any joint. Railway lines will be fenced throughout the track for the safety of passengers and track itself, which will reduce the rail accidents to almost zero. Railway tracks will be properly packed and road crossings will also be eliminated from the tracks. For the crossing of road traffic, bridges or underpasses will be built as per requirement. Railway crossing bridges and tunnels will also be rebuilt and round crossing will be removed. There will be a straight rail track. After upgradation of railway system, it will be observe international standards operations, due to which many jobs will be created. New and fresh minds will join and have space to flourish their talents. New locomotives will also be purchased and added in the system. Each and every station will be upgraded. Those are on the route. There are total 184 stations on the route and the major stations are Hyderabad, Nawabshah, Rodi, Rahimya Khan, Awalpur, Khanewal, Sahibal, Lahore, Gujranwala, Rawalpindi and Peshawar Kent. After that, I'll mention the effects of ML1 on economy. Project will complete in 2030 and will have a positive effect on economy of the country, like we will see the rapid growth in economy due to easy movement of goods from one place to another. With this project, we will be connected with the China through rail track and movement of goods will be more efficient and easier. New markets will develop near the rail track, which will increase the business activities within the country. During the project, 90% of labor will be from Pakistan and 10% labor will join from China. After the successful completion of project, there will be a job opportunities about 150,000 to 200,000. Pakistan then will be a central hub of the Asia trade. Thank you very much for watching the video. Keep spotting and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Hasta la vista.